When you sit down to create, your brain often asks, what should I work on? If the answer is 10 different things, your brain doesn't feel excited. It feels crowded. It's normal to feel overwhelmed by too many choices. That doesn't mean you're lazy. It means your mind is juggling too much. The simple idea here is this: fewer options create more focus. When you reduce your list, you reduce the mental noise. First, too many ideas compete with each other. If you have drawing, painting, editing, learning a new tool, and organize your files all on one page, your attention keeps jumping. Second, choice feels like pressure. You start worrying about picking the best task instead of just starting. Third, when everything feels important, nothing feels clear. So instead of asking, what should I do this week? We ask a smaller question. What will I work on right now? If you feel blocked while planning a big art project, then you can choose one small task instead, because your mind handles one thing more calmly than five. For example, if your list says finish sketch, start new painting, watch tutorial, organize brushes, you might freeze. But if only finish sketch is visible, your body relaxes. There's less debate. Here's how we'll do this in 3 simple moves. First, you'll let yourself write 3 ideas. Not 10, just 3. Next, you'll physically cross out 2. Not erase, cross out. Finally, you'll begin the one that remains, even in a tiny way. This works because you are training your brain to act after narrowing down, not before. In simple words, fewer choices make starting easier. If that idea felt simple but powerful, and you're starting to see why too many choices create creative block, I guide you through the full step-by-step version where we actually write the list, cross out the extras, and calmly begin one task. You can take the whole class free for a month using my link below, and it continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. Plus, you'll get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month, including drawing, painting, and design. Before you go, you're welcome to leave a quick comment. And tell me what usually overwhelms you when you try to start. Because your comments help more beginners discover the video. And if you have questions, you can always ask. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped, you can gently like the video, share it with someone who feels stuck, and subscribe so you'll have a calmer place to return to next time.